This is not financial advice, not legal advice, entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the bad actors, the RICO conspirators, Naked Short and AMC doubled and tripled down on their criminal activity yesterday. And all you got to do is look at the numbers, and the proof is right there. The evidence is overwhelming. And the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI is seeing the same thing that we see, but they do absolutely nothing and allow the biggest financial crime in the history of the planet to go on their watch. It is absolutely crazy. I've never seen anything like this. And I tell you guys every day I sound like a stuck record, but if anybody would have told me that the United States stock market was this corrupt 3 years ago, I would have told them they were crazy. Okay, I would have told them this is not a third world country. But in a first world country, we're having a third world stock market. In a first world country, we have a third world stock market where the dictators and the oligarchs can control the prices, and everybody knows about it, and they do absolutely nothing. And of course, the shills are still attacking the channel like crazy. Guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Take my videos, send them to all your politicians on the city, state, and federal level. We have to put pressure on these politicians to go after the bad actors to enforce the rule of law in the United States stock market, okay? And send it to your friends, send it to your families. Let more people know about the fraud and corruption in the stock market. And the more people that know, the more pressure it puts on the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI to start enforcing the rules of the market. I mean, that's really the bottom line. Anyway, here are the AMC numbers that really make no sense to me whatsoever. They're claiming a volume of 10,654,969. And we know those numbers mean absolutely nothing. We have no idea what's going on in the dog pools, no idea what's going on the other exchanges that they use to manipulate the price of the stock. And this volume is a little higher than usual, but this tells me that there were so many buy orders yesterday that they needed to offset them with a whole bunch of probably spoofing or counterfeit sell orders. And the only way we're going to know what they did is by the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI, or a judge order them to turn over that trading history. Okay? Do you guys think that real AMC investors were selling yesterday in order to push that price down? It wasn't investors selling. It was the bad actors. It was the RICO conspirators spoofing, washing, and manipulating the price to push it under $5. But all they did was create a buying opportunity for me. And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell AMC. That's not what I'm telling you. I'm telling you that the bad actors were very, very active yesterday manipulating the price of AMC stock. And here's the other thing. 49.4% of that alleged volume was shorted shares. 49.4%. You might as well say 50. So they found 5,400,000 AMC shares to short into the market yesterday, which was double the amount that was shorted the day before, more than double. Tell me, where did those shares come from? Where did they originate? I would love to see the chain of custody. You think the SEC, the FBI, and the DOJ is going to ask them, where did you get those shares from? They're not. Because if they ask and they get the answer, they're not going to like it. And then they're going to be forced to do their job. They're going to be forced to enforce the rules of the market. And you know they don't want to do that. And you know why? Because the ones losing money are retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. I mean, that's really the bottom line. But with more than double the shares shorted from the day before. They claim that the days to cover dropped down to 6.36 days. So I want you guys to understand this. Use your basic logic. You add double the shorted shares from the day before. You didn't close the shorts from the day before, but somehow the days to cover goes down. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. They really think we're dumb money, and they want us to leave our common sense and our basic analytical skills at the door in order to operate in the U.S. stock market. It's absolutely crazy what they're doing. This is the crime of the century. Well, the financial crime of the century. And the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI are fully aware of what's going on. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think you could add double the short positions or more than double the short positions from the day before and your days to cover goes down? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.